Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off move zoom window using keyboard shortcuts on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the zoom. Then after that, in the zoom, scroll down again and go to this section and then tap the keyboard shortcuts. Then in this part, in the keyboard shortcuts, find the move zoom window, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When move zoom window is enabled, use the symbols arrow keys to reposition the zoom window. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off move zoom window using keyboard shortcuts on iPhone X. If you have a question, get a comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!